In this quick video, I'll show you two more examples on how to calculate simple interest. As discussed in part 1, simple interest is interest calculated only on the original amount invested, which is known as the principal amount. We'll start with question 1. In question 1, they ask us, determine the interest on a $3,000 investment at a simple rate of 3.5% for 90 days. Now, we'll start off by defining what we know. We know that the principal here is $3,000. That's how much is being invested. We're also told the interest rate, and that is represented by the letter R, and it's 3.5%. We need to convert this as a decimal. That's how the formula works. So to convert this as a decimal, we divide this by 100, and dividing this by 100 gives us 0.035. And lastly, we have T, which represents the time in years. Notice that we have 90 days here. We need to convert 90 days to years. So 90 days needs to be converted into years. How do we do that? Well, to convert 90 days into years, we need to use the conversion factor. 365 days is equivalent to 1 year, and we have 90 days. So to find out our equivalent time t in years, we have a simple ratio problem here. 90 times 1, which is 90, t times 365, which is 365t. So we divide 90 by 365. And this gives us approximately 0.2465. So t is equal to 0.2465. And so I will cross that out and use this in years. Now I have to plug in these values into this formula, which is the easy part. I is equal to P, which is 3,000, times 0.035 times this number, 0.2465. If you want to be super accurate while calculating this, just keep this whole number. So multiply this by 0.035 times 3,000, and the amount of interest that this person has earned in these 90 days is $25.89. $25.89. Let's move on to question 2. In question 2, they ask, determine the interest rate earned on a $5,000 investment at a simple rate of 2.5% for 120 days. Let's do the same thing as before. I is equal to P, which is 5,000, times the percentage, which is 0.025. I divided this by 100, times, we have to find out what T is here, and it's not 120 because this is in days and our formula works with years. So to find out our time, remember 365 days is equivalent to 1 year. 120, we have a simple ratio problem here. This multiplied to this multiplied to that, known as cross multiplication. We end up with 120 divided by 365 gives us approximately 3287. So I'm going to multiply this number now by 0.025, and I'm going to multiply that by 5,000, and this gives me 41.09. $41.09 earned in interest. Now, just to be accurate, I do want to get the decimal version here, 0.3287. So what does this mean to our investors? This means that if you invest $5,000 at 2.5% simple interest for 120 days, you earn $41 approximately, and 25.89 for this investment here. And so there you have it. That is how to calculate simple interest. Make sure you watch part 3 where we tackle a few more examples. If you found this tutorial helpful, please support our channel by subscribing or by liking this video. If you have any further questions, visit our website at studyforce.com. We're an online service for students seeking free homework help. See you soon.